What's up, you guys? All right, well, I wasn't planning on coming back, but I'm going to give you a little market commentary. So it looks like a little after I left, well, when I did my recap, ACY was halted. It was halted right here at 24. And as you may recall, I was like, I've had a good day. I'm not going to overstay my welcome. It's not worth it. I'm just going to let it be what it is. So it resumed and looks like dipped for a second and then squeezed up to 25.52 and then pulled back down here to 21.32. So pretty brutal there. I mean, if you tried to buy right on maybe like a dip and rip, I mean, it did dip and it did rip, but you would have had to be so quick on it. But then look, as we got later into the day, all of a sudden, look at this squeeze. Now it's starting to pop up. It breaks through the high right there from 25. It goes up to 26.70. Then 1 minute micro pullback right here. So you get a 1 minute micro pullback, and then it pops up here to a high of 27.57. Pulls back a little bit, consolidation. Now you've got the low there of 25.35. It dips down again, and look at this, bounces right off the VWAP. A dip right off the volume weighted average price right there. So it was almost to the penny off the VWAP. And then it rips through the high and goes all the way up to $32.84. It pulls back on the 1 minute, back down here. It looks like it halted once, resumed, and kept going stronger. Pulled back, came back down to the VWAP, again retraced a little bit, broke the VWAP, and now, it's kind of consolidating a little bit above the VWAP, and it's only 130. I'm not going to take any more trades today. I'm happy with my 15,000 on the day, but seeing that move there up to 32.84 is awesome. I mean, that was a bounce off the VWAP from 24 to 32. That's an 8-point bounce. That's phenomenal. So that's really good to see. Now, I saw some traders mentioning MOXC, which is on the high day Momo scanner. This has made a move from 750, 850 up to 950. So we've got some momentum on that. So, this is all really good to see. I'm happy with this kind of follow through in the market. I mean, I'm a little bummed that I'm, didn't capitalize on it more than I did, but I'm happy with 15,000 on the day. I got green on FULC, which, looking at this one, I think I did the right thing there, not overstaying my welcome. It's pulled back quite a bit off the high, which is not totally surprising given it had news of the offering, but the initial response to that news pre-market was that it was popping up. So rode that momentum from 21 up towards 25, and then obviously cut my loss on the last trade, only gave back about $1,000 on that. So nice momentum today. I'm excited. Things are starting to turn around, and we're starting to see a little bit more action. AHPI also, I definitely underestimated that one. Squeezed up to 1550, but as I said, not able to break yesterday's high, which doesn't surprise me, but it did surprise me that it went as high as it did. So seeing some action, but really just wanted to comment on ACY up 50% and holding its level. What makes ACY probably more interesting than some, is this day back here where it went from $5 to $38 a share. That was pretty crazy. So it's got a history of making these big moves, and we're not all that far away from the high of that level, 38.04, right? So maybe one to keep an eye on in the days ahead, but depends on how it closes. Like AHPI yesterday, making a big move is fine, but then if it doesn't hold its level, well, then it's hard to trade it for second day continuation. You need FULC type of moves where it holds its level, and then you can get that second day continuation. So that's what I'm looking for. I don't know if we'll get it on any of these today, but I'm excited to see some momentum in the market. So anyways, just thought I'd come on and share that with you, and give you that little market commentary, and I'll see you guys first thing tomorrow morning. As always, in case you didn't already know, trading is risky. Most beginner traders lose money, so trade cautiously.
And that right there was an entire video with no ads. I don't monetize my YouTube channel with video ads, which means you guys get to enjoy the content. But do me a favor, please hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up and let YouTube know that this channel is the channel to watch if you want to learn about day trading.